Prep for exams, Week 2: How human motor and cognitive skills relate to UI design. Special user groups and contexts need to be considered in UI design. Aging and diseases affect both accuracy and speed. Also, contextual factors affect immobile text entry on bumpy road. Designing for human information processing. Humans as information processors perceiving sensory input by seeing, hearing, touching, smelling, tasting, proprioceptics, kinesthesia. Cognitive processes and actions, attention, perception, memory, learning, reading, speaking, and listening, problem solving, planning, reasoning, and decision making. Reactions as output: laughing, eating, moving a hand. How can human information processing help in product design? Provides knowledge about what users can and cannot be expected to do. Helps identifying and explaining the nature and causes of problems that users encounter when interacting with products. Provides theories, modeling tools, guidance, and methods that can lead to the design of better interactive products. Attention, perception, memory. Attention, cognitive process of selecting things on which to concentrate at a point in time from the mass of stimuli around us. Allows us to focus on information that is relevant to what we are doing. Prep for exams, Week 2. Involves audio and or visual senses. Affects the input mechanism. What is perceived? What is processed? Check Week 2 slides. Perception, how information is acquired from the world and transformed into experiences via senses. You should design representations that are readily perceivable. For instance, text should be legible. Icons should be easy to distinguish and read. Memory stores, sensory stores, i.e. sensory memory, a visual store, auditory store, etc. Each hold information very briefly. Is limited to one sensory modality. Working memory, very limited capacity. Check Week 2 slides. Norman's action cycle and Unix self-study module 2. Action cycle and Unix interactive content, senses, modalities and accessibility. Self-study module 3 is senses, modalities and accessibility. Prep for exams, Week 2 conceptual and mental model. Conceptual model. A conceptual model is an explanation, usually highly simplified, of how something works. It doesn't have to be complete or even accurate as long as it is useful. Do it. A high-level description of how a system is organized and operates. Johnson and Henderson, 2002, p. 26. Provides a working strategy and framework of general concepts and their interrelations. Mental model. Mental models are conceptual models in people's minds that represent their understanding of how things work. Different people are designers. Users may hold different mental models of the same item. Clues to how things work come from their perceived structure. This includes signifiers, affordances, constraints, and mappings. More about these later in the course.